Hello everyone, I'm MandySithika. In this video, I will show you the comparison between coral eyeshadow makeup with different cheek color and lip color. By the first look, I will choose Chanel Label Healthy Glow Natural Eyeshadow Palette in color Warm and Cheek Coral Cheek by Dior Big Stage Rosy Glow in color Coral, with the red lipstick by Gucci Goldie Red. Okay, now let's start to do eye makeup with Chanel Label Healthy Glow Natural Eyeshadow Palette in color Warm. These eyeshadow color are in coral, in lighting coral color that can be used for everyday makeup. The Chanel eyeshadow are long lasting for my working hour. It keep the color makeup stay same since the morning to evening. The shimmer color in this eyeshadow palette are beautiful. I do eye makeup with the Chanel eyeshadow palette by using all the color in this palette. Firstly, I'm use the lightest matte color in this palette for my color base of my eyeshadow makeup. You can see in this video in previously, choose the lightest matte color in the big in the biggest and longest part in this palette. Actually, they don't show the name of each color. That's why I don't know how to call each color. After I'm use the longest part color for my color base, then I contour with the brightest in the darkest coral color for my contour shading, and I smoky with the black color one that you can see in this video. Highlighter with the shimmer lighting coral, and I'm also highlighting with the brightest color for my inner corner. Then I apply blusher on my cheek by using the Backstage Rosy Glow in color Coral and in code 004. Actually, everyone, this coral color of this Dior uh, matte matte finish and beautiful. I think it fit for whiter skin tone and lighting medium skin tone. I think not for medium skin tone, but for lighter medium skin tone to white skin tone. It will bring up your face more brighter, more whiter. Okay, now let's start to apply lipstick on my lip. Firstly, I need to wipe off lip balm on my lip first before I apply lipstick. This lipstick is from Gucci Goldie Red in matte formula. Okay, everyone, how this look between coral eyeshadow, yeah, with the coral cheek and red lipstick. Okay, now continue to the second look by using the same palette of the Chanel Label Hazy Glow Natural Eyeshadow Palette in color warm that coral color with pink cheek and pink lipstick. Okay, now I finished my face preparation and I not yet apply lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm color pink in code 1947. That's called Miss Dior. Then I do eye makeup with the same eyeshadow palette from Chanel Label Hazy Glow Natural Eye Palette in color warm. Okay, so I'm done show this eye makeup routine again. Then I just jump up to the blusher. This pink blusher is from NARS in color Orgasm. This is the very beautiful pink color and also the popular color in the market. I also love this blusher from NARS in color orgasm because of their shimmer finish, or can say that their bling bling pink color on our cheek. You can see in this video, the pink color on my cheek are beautiful or not. It's not a matte finish tab, but it's the glowing finish tab with the bling bling pink, and yeah, it shimmer it same as the highlighter like that. Okay, now I wipe off my lip glow, and then let's continue to the lip color by Gucci in liquid formula. It is the transfer proof lipstick. This pink lipstick from Gucci in color 143, Cornelia pink. This pink color beautiful or not, everyone? Okay, now this is the final look of the coral smoky eye. The coral smoky eye shadow makeup with the pink cheek and pink lipstick. Compared to the first look, which one is beautiful, very much with the coral eyeshadow makeup then? Okay, thanks everyone for watching my video. Bye.